folks, we come to the miscellaneous exercise chapter 9 and the part 10. We had done a major chunk of problems. Now only some word problems are left. So this is going to be our 27th problem. Now in this problem, they tell that there was this person, there is a farmer who buys a tractor for 12,000 rupees. He pays 6,000 down, and the remaining amount that is left to pay, he is paying it in installments, such that the installment will be 500 rupees of the 500 rupees towards the unpaid amount, plus 12% of the amount that is unpaid he will pay as interest also. That's how he will calculate the installment, and that's how the amount is going to be paid. So if that is the case, always when we pay installments, we generally pay more than what we are required to pay. So if this person, he was to pay 12,000, he will be paying definitely some amount that is more. So the question says that you calculate all that installments and then find out how much amount he has paid in total. So that's a question. Even this and the next question is like that. So we'll find that out. So for that, what we will do is we'll calculate this installment amount, and then you'll see how much he's paying totally, right? So let's take the find the right away. Let's start first installment. Let's find out how much it is. First installment amount. It's pointless to tell amount because installment means amount. Okay, so installment amount is maybe they say 500 plus 12 by 100. Now when the tractor was costing 12,000, he has already paid 6,000, so unpaid amount is 6,000. So 12% of the unpaid amount. So how much is it coming? 500 plus 720, so it comes to 1220. That's his first installment. Now let's see amount in the second installment. It will be again 500 plus 12% of the unpaid amount. Now he is from 6,000, he has paid 500 already in the first installment, so his unpaid amount is 5,500. So into 5,500. How much will this come to? 500. Whether we know 12 into 55? No. So let me quickly calculate. 12 5 is 60, I know. 12 5 is 60, I know. So 660 it is. Yes. So it comes to 660. So that way it comes to 0, 6, 11. So 1160. And so on. So when we carefully observe, we can observe. We observe that the installment amounts, they form a AP actually. You know, with every time there is a difference of 60. If we calculate some more, we'll get to know. But right away we can see the installments amounts are in AP with A as 1220. D means we'll have to take the difference. 1160 minus 1220 comes to minus 60. And number of installments, how we'll calculate is he has to pay 6,000 rupees and he is every time paying 500. Like that, how many? That's how we calculate the number of installments. So 5 ones are 5. 1 remaining 2, 12 installments. He'll be paying 12 installments. So all this is there with us. So let's find out the sum of installments. Sum of installment amounts. So that is by formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1, that's 11, and d is minus 60. Okay, so 6 times. How much is this? 0, 4, 4, 2 minus 660. How? That's good. Here itself we'll do small calculation. 6 into 0, 14 and 6, 8, 13 and 6, 7, and 1. So how much does it come to? 0, 8 and 6, it's 48. 4 carry. 6 into 7, 42, 46, 10. So much amount he's paying already by installments. So total amount he has paid will be total amount paid by him, poor farmer. He is already paying so much by installment. 1, 0, 6, 8, 10,680 and already 6,000 he has paid. So he's paying 16,680 for a thing that is costing 12,000. That is why they say, you know, installments are not always, it's definitely not profitable. It's always better to make cash down payment and get things so you don't lose much in that transaction. Unless otherwise there are some tax benefits and all that. So if you have to avail that, maybe. Well, that's a CA's business to find out which is better. Okay. Next problem is almost on this flavor only. The next one. What does it say? Let's see. It says that it is Shamshad Ali, he is buying a scooter again. Poor one, he is doing the same thing. He is buying a scooter for 22,000, but he is unable to pay the whole amount. So he is only paying 4,000, and then the remaining he is paying in installments. Now, the installments are 1,000 every month, and then 10% of the unpaid amount, as we did before. So therefore again he is going to be in trouble. So let's see now how much in trouble. Yeah, like how we found this here. In this he has lost 4,800 extra went from his hand. Let's see now how much this poor guy has to pay. Let's see, amount of first installment. Amount of first installment. How much will that come? Amount of first installment, it is 1,000, as they say, plus 10% of the unpaid amount, because 22,400 he has paid, 18,000 is left. 10 by 100 into 18,000. So 1,000 plus 1,800. So he's paying 2,800 as a first installment. Then amount of second installment will be again 1,000. By now he has paid only 1,000 is paid towards the unpaid, so 17,000 is left. So same way, 1,000 plus 1,700, so 2,700. Now we can do one more calculation and conclude that it's an NAP, but here I will do it right at one shot. We observe that these installments are in AP with A as 2800 and D as minus 100, 2700 minus 2800, and N of course will be the unpaid amount is 18,000, and every time we are paying 1,000. So like that we'll have to have 18 installments. So we have to find sum of installments. A is N by 2, 18 by 2 into 2A, 2 into 2800, plus N minus 1, which is 17, and D is minus 100. So not like before, little calculation is there. This is 5600 minus 1700, right? So how much does it come to? 0, 0, 16 minus 7, 9, and we have borrowed, so 4 minus 1, 3. How much? 0, 0, 9 nines are 81, 8 carry, 9 threes are 27, 28, 28100. No, wait. Not everything looks very good over here. Let me check once again. 2 into, yes, this is correct. This is okay. Now let me check this. 16 minus 7 is 9, and 4 minus 1 is 3, 9. 9 nines are 81, 8 carry, 9 threes are 27 and 8. What's wrong with me? Yeah? Let me do the calculation once again. 39 into 9. 9 nines are 81, 8 carry. 9 threes are 27. 27 and 8 is going to be 35. So it is 35100. How much is paid in installments for 22,000? Already installment has become this much. Just imagine, poor guy. So therefore total amount paid. Poor guy. If I would have met him, I would have given him that initial amount itself so that he doesn't have to fall into this trap. So 35100 plus 4,000 is 39100. He's paying so much amount. 39,100 for a thing that was costing only 22,000. Just imagine. So the person who is getting the installment is in such good position. So that's about it. Then we go to a letter problem. Now what does it say? It says that a person, he is writing a letter to 4 of his friends, and he asks each one of them to again write letters to 4 people. Like that the chain should be continuing, and they mail the letter also. And when you mail the letter, you cannot mail the letter like that by post office. When you mail it, you have to affix a stamp, etc. Now the minimum stamp is ₹5, but here, since it's an old textbook, they say that one letter is costing 50 paise. So like that, at the 8th step, when the 8th step mailing is over, how much amount as postage would have been spent already? So what we should do is, we should find the total amount of letters that has gone in the 8th stage. Then we can calculate the amount. So first there's a different thing, we have not seen it till now. So let's understand it and let's see how we can go about it. The first person is mailing 4 letters. So at the very first step, 4 letters are mailed. Then this has gone now, the first person has sent it to 4 people, so it has gone to 4 people. The letter has gone to 4 people. Now these 4 people have to again mail 4. So he is mailing 4. He is mailing 4, he is mailing 4, he is mailing 4. So how much has come? 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 4, 16. Right? It has gone like that. That's in the second step. Now in the third step, this person will mail 4. So in this branch itself, how much will come? 4, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 4, 16 will come in this branch itself. 16 will come from here, 16 will come from here, and 16 will come from here. So totally how much will come? 64 will come, right? So in the third branch you will get 64. So like that, this is how the mailing process is going on. So we carefully observe, it's a GP, right? So we can write this. The number of letters in each step, are 4, 16, 64 and so on. This is a GP. Yeah, with A as 4, R as 16 by 4, 4. And that's it. So they are asking us till the 8th step, sum of letters till the 8th step. So let's find out S8. Therefore S8 by formula N by 2, A into R raised to N minus 1. A into R raised to N minus 1 by R minus 1. So that is 4 by 3 into 4 raised to 8 minus 1. Now since they ask us the amount, all this we have to calculate. So 4 raised to 8, either whatever way you want to calculate, either you calculate it as 4 raised to 8, for me 2 is better. So it is 2 raised to 16. Yeah, and 2 raised to 16, because I know a bit of powers of 2 till 10 I know, so maybe I'll use that. So for me 2 raised to 10, it's more convenient to take it as 2 raised to 10 into 2 raised to 6, because I know powers of 2. So powers of 2, out of that, this I know is 1024, and this I know is 64. Maybe we could work it out. So let's see, 1024 into 64. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9, 0, 4. Here, 6 4s are 24 to carry, 6 2s are 12, 14, 1 carry, 6 1s are 6, 6, 13, 6 5 5 3 6, and minus 1, 6 5 5 3 5. This is the sum that we get when we till the 8th step, when we post the letters, we would have posted, the answer. We have not found out the answer. We would have got so many letters. And we are a little reluctant to do all this because we have a further step. So maybe things may get cancelled. So that's why we will not do the final step and go the next step. The amount spent. Okay. So many letters. For each letter, you are spending 50 paise or half a rupee amount spent. So half a rupee we'll take, maybe that's easy. So you will have, for one letter, if it is half a rupee, for this much, how much? You just multiply by half. I am taking half a rupee. So you get the answer in rupee itself. Right. Why do we do it like this? So that this can get cut. And then 6 plus 5, 11 plus 5, 16, 19 and 5, 24. Oh, this is also divisible. Let's check. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 50. That's it. So this much amount will be spent on the letters. Let's check how much. If you can double it up, very nice. Let me see if I can try that trick. Double up. 45, 98, 16. I don't know if it's going to work. 8 and 8, 16, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, 43690. Or you could have spared all the trouble, directly multiply, you would have got it. Yeah, 43690 is the amount that is spent on postage. First we analyze the number of letters. We found that it's GP. First 2-3 steps itself we'll come to know whether it's a GP or a AP. Then from there we trace that it's an AP and GP, use the formula, get the answer. That's about this. Then we have 2-3 more word problems. With that we are coming in the fresh video. Thank you.